Good morning, sir. I am Dominic Oluntayan, and I'm here to present to you the poster we make in the group. So, this sa old physical security, sir, is mao pa ni siya ang kanang vault in past years. So, sa una is kuan pa kaya sa sir kanang box lang, tapos gamay ra kay siya mga kuan sir kanang combination. Then pwede siya ma-open kanang mga kuan na siya sir kanang gubuon ni siya, dali rin ni siya pod maguba if kung kawaton siya. So yun, in the present sir, kani siya sir, kani sa present sa karon na year 2000 na, daghan na kay gamit ni mga dagko nga mga vault sama nang mga bangko nga dagko kaayo. So niani na ilang mga gipanggamit like sa mga gawas na sa states, ani na mga vault kay lisod kay sa opinion, tapos daghan kay sa mga combination nga code. And that's all sir for our poster. So, protecting assets. So from the word protecting assets sir, dara nimo makita ang sa ang pagprotect sa mga sensitive files, mga sensitive information, o mga data nga mga sensitive. So, in protecting assets sir, dapat from the word protecting asset, imong protektahan ang sample like stakeholders. Imo siyang protektahan kay mo man to sila imong asset, or in humans dapat naisa isa ka security guard para mo-protect sa mga tawo kay mo man to sila imong assets. So in ensuring safety, is dara mo ipakita ang giunsa nimo pag safe, o ipakita ang imuhang kanang gishow nimo ba kana nga dapat safety ang ako ang mga employees, stakeholders, para pod ma-feel sila nga safety ang imuhang kumpanya. Tapos dili sila maduduhaan og work sa imong kumpanya kay lisod dili masudlan dayon og mga vulnerable or traits. That's all sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jessamine Baod. This is my report. It's all about preventing unauthorized access, restricting entry to secure areas or information through virus means such as access control system, security personnel, and surveillance. Example of preventing unauthorized access is the use of multi-factor and authentication for securing online accounts, such as a password, a fingerprint, or a code sent to a mobile device before granting access. Deterrence. The core principle of physical secure are: number one is deterrence, implementing measures that discourage potential threats from attempting unauthorized access or malicious acts. This code involve visible security personnel, signage, and physical barriers. The main point day ani sa deterrence is, like for example, in criminal justice, deterrence can be seen in laws that impose serve penalties for crimes such as the death penalty for murder, in the hope that potential criminals will be discouraged from committing such act. That's all.
Good afternoon, sir. By the way, my name is Annalyn Lulawan Mariano. I will report about the detection, identifying and recognizing security breaches or suspicious activity as they occur through alarms, cameras, and monitoring system. So, detection is very important to everyone. Because para ma-identify nimo kung kinsay nangawat sa imong balay. Para dili para maiwasan ang atong kuan nga pwede ka pataon og CCTV para ma-detect nimo kung naabay nangawat or nawala sa imong balay. Next is delay. It's slowing down or impeding the progress of unauthorized individuals or activities to allow time for a response. This can involve physical barriers, locks, and other security measures. So, sa delay, kung you have a flight, so kung na kay mga requirements, ma-delay man jud ka para i-process nimo ay ka makalakaw.
My name is Argino Z. Arpon. Human threats. Burglary authorized entry into a property with the intent to commit theft. It can result in loss of valuables and damage to property. Insider threats. Employees or trusted individuals who use their access to harm an organization either internationally or accidentally. This can involve data breaches, sabotage, or theft. Technological threats. Cyber physical attacks. Targeting physical system via cyber means such as manipulating industrial controls or infrastructures. These attacks can disrupt critical system and cause physical damage. Hacking into security system, authorized access to digital security system to bypass disable security means. This can lead to data breaches, loss of sensitive or information, and authorized access to secure areas.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dailin M. Alay. My topic today is response and natural threats. Response: taking action to address and mitigate the effects of a security incident. This includes having a response plan, trained personnel, and communication protocols in place. The second one, natural threats, are hazards or dangers that occur due to natural processes without any human involvement. These threats can range from geological events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions to meteorological events like hurricanes, floods, and droughts.